Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore your options for deleting or replacing objects in your Google Drawing. So if you open your Edit menu, about 2/3 of the way down, you'll see Select All. What Select All will do is it selects all objects in the document. Right? This can work very well in Google Drawings if you have a lot of images and you want to do something with them, group them, delete them, whatever. It also works in Google Docs if you want to grab the entire document and reformat it or something. But Select All selects all the objects in the document. Now notice again that Delete and Duplicate are grayed out. I can't use them until I select an object in the drawing. So if I select the text box, I can delete it or I can duplicate it. And let me explain the difference between delete and cut. When you cut an object, it deletes it from view, but it also adds it to your clipboard. So if you cut an object, you could paste it somewhere else. You could also copy the object and paste it somewhere else. And if you do that, you'll have two versions of that object, one at the original location and the second one wherever you decided to paste it at. Cut will add it to your clipboard. Delete does not add it to your clipboard, it just cuts it, done. And then duplicate is basically a shortcut for doing copy and paste together. Oftentimes, copy and paste are done together. You copy an object, you paste an object, and it's two different clicks or two different keyboard shortcuts or whatever. Duplicate does those two things in conjunction with one another. It copies the object and then also pastes it. So if I click on duplicate, I still have my original, and now I have this second box with the same text in it. It's just a copy of the first one. But I can do it in one step. And then lastly, Find and Replace. Find and Replace works a lot like it would in a Google Doc. If there's text in your Google Drawing, you can tell it to find it. You can match case, ignore special characters, things like that. You can replace one at a time, or you can replace all of them, and then you can scroll between the different instances of whatever it is you're looking for. So you can replace a lot of text at once. Maybe you misspelled a word, maybe something has changed, the terminology, and you want to go back in and change all of that without literally changing everyone individually. Find and Replace works great for that.